Good afternoon, children. My name is Ajay Kumar Malakar, Government EP School Jamtalia. Now this topic is Tilak Majhi, Class 7, English. Now will be start. Start Class 7, Subject English, Topic Tilak Majhi Part 2, presented by Ajay Kumar Malakar, Government EP School Jamtalia, Sundargarh. Baba Tilak Majhi. Read paragraphs 6-7 silently and answer the question that follow. Chance came on the morning of 23rd January 1984. Cleveland was riding to his house on horseback. Chance come on the morning of 23rd January. In 1984, Cleveland was riding his house on horseback. Riding, I means horse. Duck shot an arrow from a distance. Duck shot an arrow from a distance and killed him on the spot. News of Cleveland death spread everywhere. The government for but more soldiers and weapons. Weapons, I mean to say weapons. Soldier and weapons, you know see that bought more. But Tilak and his people fought about a year, killing many British soldiers with their arrows. I mean to arrows, row and arrows. But now many times, freedom fighter fighting, row and arrows. But now many British fight. After long time, many times. But now British soldiers and with arrows, at last they made a sudden attack. On Tilak and his follower. I mean to say, follower I mean to sudden attack in the field. But now this time Tilak was arrested. No, he was mercifully beaten. His hands were then tied to a horse and he was dragged all over Bhagalpur town. Horse means, I mean to, he was dragged. Dragged means on the floor, dragging, I mean to say, a man is all over Bhagalpur town. But Tilak did not die. This time not die, but after all this, so they hanged him from a tree. But now hanged him from a tree. But now hanged me, I mean to a rope hanged. But the place is known. Today as Tilak Chowk. I mean to history, Tilak Chowk. But he was dragged all over Bhagalpur town, but Tilak did not die this time. So the place is known. Everybody known this day Tilak Chowk is in Bhagalpur. But history has forgotten Tilak Majhi. His name is not found in the history books. History has forgotten Tilak Majhi. His name is not found in the history books. But many people who came to Bhagalpur pay their respect to Tilak in 1969. Simanta Gandhi, Khan Abdul Khapar Khan came to Bhagalpur. He went to Tilak Chowk, where Tilak was hanged, and paid his respect to his great martyrs. But the chance came, every people will be get now chance. On the morning time on 23rd January 1784, Cleveland was riding to his house on horseback. Tilak shot an arrow. I mean to shot, exact fixed at sorrow. Tilak shot an arrow. Arrow, I mean to from distance, far distance, very distance, not and killed him on the spot. The news of Cleveland death spread everywhere. The government got more soldiers and weapons, but Tilak and his people, I mean to say, fought, many times fight, but about a year, killing many British soldiers with their arrows. At last, they made a sudden attack on Tilak and his followers, many followers. Tilak was arrested. This time, he was mercilessly beaten. His hands were then tied. This time very tied. Not this time fighting, but now a horse, and he was dragged all over Bhagalpur town. But Tilak did not die after all this. So they hanged him from a tree. Place, I mean to say place, Bhagalpur. But now the Tilak Chowk known, but now in the popular this time, the Chowk. Tana Chowk, then the Tilak Chowk, Birsa Chowk. I mean, this is the place known, every people. But known, this name is familiar, this place is familiar. Tilak Chowk. But history has forgotten Tilak Majhi. His name is not found in history books. But the people who come to Bhagalpur pay their respect to Tilak in 1969. Simanta Gandhi, Khan Abdul Khapar Khan, and come to Bhagalpur. He went to Tilak Chowk, where Tilak hanged, and paid his respect to his great martyrs. But now I will give you some question, but now is going to this question, very comprehension question. Comprehension question. But now, how long did the tribal rebellion continue? How long did the tribal rebellion continue? How long did the tribal rebellion continue? Now, which school watching now? This question, comprehension question. The tribal rebellion continued for about a year. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Next question arise. Raise your hand. Where is Tilak Chowk? Who was it named after? Next question. Where is Tilak Chowk? Who was it?
Is 1969 to offer him high respect.
Tilak Chowk is in Bhagalpur. It was named after Tilak Majhi. Yes. Next question. Who was Khan Abdul Khapar Khan? Next question arise. Raise your hand. Now watching comprehension question 3.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was a great freedom fighter.
Great freedom fighter. Thank you. Great freedom fighter. Okay, this question now. Which school?
He
And your name?
visited Tilka Chowk in 1969 to offer him high respect.
Yes.
He
Fourth
visited
question.
Tilka Chowk in
How? When did he visit Tilka Chowk? Why?
He visited Tilka Chowk in 1916 to offer him
To offer
high respect.
High respect. Offer him high respect. He visited Tilka Chowk in 1969 to offer him high respect. Whole question now note down. Note down every student. Every student note down. Comprehension question first. 1, 2, 3, 4. How learning the tribal religion continue? The tribal religion continue for about a year. But now, where and when was Tilka Majhi born? Where and when Tilka Majhi was born in 1750 in a small village near Bhagalpur in Bihar. Bhagalpur. Next question. What did it is to the young man of the village? What did he teach to the young man? Told the young man of the village. King arose. Very good. Thank you. Next question. What did Tilak ask people not to do? What did Tilak ask people not to do? Question number 3. What did Tilak ask people not to do?
Tilka asked the people not to pay tax. Tilka asked the people not to pay tax.
Tilka asked people not to pay tax. Yes. Very good. Thank you. Note down first. 1, 2, 3. Note down. Now this question. Note down. Where and when was Tilak Majhi born? Tilak Majhi was born 1750 in a small village. I mean to say small village.
The tribal religions continued for 1 year.
How long did the tribal religion continue? 1 year. Yes, the tribal religion continue for 1 year. 1 year religion continue. Who was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan? Khan Abdul Ghaffar was a freedom fighter. Freedom fighter. Yes. There will be 5 questions. Write down. There will be 5 questions. Write down. Now choose the correct preposition. Now choose the correct preposition. Number 1. Number 1. He is good at mathematics. But now option A, B, C, D. Choose the correct preposition. He is good at mathematics. A option in, B option at, C option on, D option for. Which is correct? Which school was now watching? For. Confirm, not on, at, in, for. He is good at mathematics. Now confirm. Ask for. In. He is good at mathematics. Good at, bad at. Now there are similar question, but now good at, bad at. But next question. She lives days small apart. She lives days small apart.
The book is on the table.
Which? On.
She lives in
option
a small
Option O.
apartment.
Option A on, B by, C in, D at. Which is correct?
She lives in a small apartment.
Which is in now small. I mean to say small. Small apartment. Small apartment before in is correct. Thank you. Correct. Now the book is dash the table. But A is by. B
The book
in,
is on the table.
Yes. Now in the touchable.
The book
but now on the table. Good. Very good. Which school? Tell me your name. But now appropriate question. But this question is book is appropriate. You know touchable. I mean to say you on is appropriate. But now a pen is on the table. A pen is on the table. Appropriate before preposition. Now on. Now in it in near the touchable on. But the book is on the table. Next question. I will meet you days 5 p.m. But next A is.
I will meet you.
C on, D by. Now I will meet you days 5 p.m.
I will meet you at 5 p.m. I will meet you at 5 p.m.
At 5 p.m. Very good. Now is time. I mean to say time before at 5 p.m., 6 p.m., at 9 p.m., 10 p.m. But now there is a time different. But different time there. But now is at is appropriate preposition. Next. Thank you. Next question. 5. The cat jumped dash the well. The cat jumped dash the well. A question option 2.
The
B
cat
question
jumped
in.
in the wall.
A C and
The-
D into. No, the cat
cat
jumped.
jumped-
The cat jumped. A, B,
The
C,
cat
D.
jumped in the wall.
Not.
The cat into wall. Into
Well, now the cat jumped into the well. Now one place to different place, but now there is well. There is well and place. Place you jumped, not different. This is now surface. But you jumped into the well, you jumped into the pond, you jumped into the river. But now a prepared question, correct into. The cat jumped into the well. A prepared question into. Thank you. Sit down. Next question. He is afraid dash snake. He is afraid dash snake.
he is up.
By.
He is
One
afraid.
option is by. B option is from. C option is of. D option is with. But now he is afraid. He is afraid now. Think just. Now just think it over. But he is afraid. I mean to say after. Afraid means I mean fear. Afraid. He is afraid snake. Now a snake is creeping on the way on this floor. But suddenly you a snake on the way across. But while you are going to there, a snake is across on the way. This is now suddenly he is afraid death snake. But by, from, of, with. Not is wrong, but afraid of is appropriate. After afraid of, he is afraid of snake. Now this question, the appropriate is preposition of. He is afraid of snake. Remember it. Now remember it. He is afraid of is appropriate of preposition. But now by is different, from is different. From coming from, but this time coming from school. But when you are going to school, when you are going to school, but this time over that come from school. This time you will be used from. Note down this question. Now, this question note down. Choose the correct spelling. Next question will be is, but now choose the correct spelling. Different, the A, B, C option 4 is which is correct? Which one is correct? Government. Which is? Why is correct? The question is correct. Why? D. Spelling not mistake. Correct. Now D. Choose the correct spelling. Yes. Tell me your name. Thank you. Well done. Government. G-O-V-R-N. N is silent. Government. G-O-V-E-R-N. N is silent, but now M-E-N-T. Government. Next question. Next question. 2. Choose the correct spelling. Weapons. Weapons, army, defense. Weapons. Which is correct? C. Choose the correct spelling. Confirm. Are you sure this option C? Are you sure? Yes. Weapon is correct spelling. Not see now this time when I was teaching this, but book. Watching. Only watching.
D.
C. C is C, D, A, B. Which is correct? C. D.
Bro, what you bro? Weapon, sub. Huh.
C. C is correct.
The correct slip.
Next, choose the correct spelling. Distance.
D-I-S-T.
Choose the correct spelling. Choose the correct spelling. Distance. Distance. Yes, distance. 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 Which is correct?
The correct spelling is C.
Correct spelling is?
The correct
C.
spelling is C.
C. Distance is correct. Now next question. Next question. Choose the correct spelling. Killing. Killing.
The correct spelling is D. B.
D. Killing. K-I-L-L-N-G. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. K-I-N-G. K-L-I-N-G.
The correct spelling is B.
Which means killing?
The correct spelling is B.
D. Killing means other word. Killing I mean to say forever death. Yes. I mean killing. Make the plural. Make the plural. House.
Houses.
House. Houses.
Houses.
Arrow.
Arrows. Arrows.
Weapon.
Weapons.
Weapons. Horse.
Weapons.
Horse.
Horses. Horses.
Book.
Horse. Books.
Book. Books.
Books.
House. Make the plural house. Houses. Arrows. Weapons.
Arrows.
Horse. Books. I mean to say
Horses.
mouse. Yes. Make the plural. I am asking question. But a mouse. Mouse is a plural. Mouse is singular. A plural. Mouse. Mouse.
Houses.
Mouse plural. No. Mouse. I mean to ask you question. Mouse. Mouse singular. Plural.
Mouses.
Plural. Mouses. Not wrong. Mice. Mouse mean to mouse. Plural. Mice. M-I-C. Mice. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-I-C. Mice. Child. Child singular. Plural. Which school? Hello, now tell me your name. Which school? Child singular. Yes, child, children. C-H-I-L-D, child, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Foot, I mean to foot. Foot singular, plural. Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Foot.
High School.
Singular to plural. Foot, I mean to singular. Now foot means singular. I mean to say plural. Can you say? Not foods. Incorrect. Food incorrect. Food. I mean to say food means other. Feet. Singular to food. Plural feet. F-double-A-T feet. Singular F-double-O-T foot. F-double-A-T feet. Plural. Now next question. Write the opposite words. Yes. Back.
Go.
Back. Not correct. Back. Come, go. Yes. Well done. Back. Back opposite words. Can you say? No. Front. Back. Front. Distance. Close, I mean to say close is closed. Close, shorter. That difference. Now distance. Distance is near. Distance is near. Death. Birth. More, I mean to say more. More opposite word. Can you say more opposite words? Less. Known, unknown.
No. Unknown.
Known,
Unknown.
Yes.
Unknown.
Yes. Unknown. Known is no, you don't know. But now known. Unknown is unfamiliar. Unknown. Forget. Now just you remember. Remember. Now you are suddenly but getting now. You are forget everything. But now you are remembering. Now you are remembering. Yes, now forget is opposite word remembering. Remember. Fill in the blanks. A and the. I mean to say the arrow.
N.
Arrow. And
N.
yes. No. Next question. More.
The more.
Here. Before article
A.
here. Next horse, horse. Next hour, hour. Next hour, hour. A not A incorrect. An hour. H is silent. Hour. An hour. Un. Now H is silent.
At.
Hour.
At.
MP. MP before article. An. I. An. Yes, an MP. An I. Son. Dash before son
Son.
article.
An.
A son.
An. Iba.
Is. The son is correct. The
A
son
son.
is not incorrect. A not. An not. The.
A son.
Best. The. देखो now good better comparison, degree of comparison, good better best. Now super comparative positive not use A, but comparative superlative degree comparison before the. But now better best.
An.
SDO, sub-divisional officer. But now is utterance. S. I mean to say un. Next question. Tilak Maji was born in a small village near option. Correct. Koraput, Samalpur,
Bhagalpur.
Katanga, Bhagalpur, correct.
Bhagalpur.
Next question. Tilak Maji was born in. Correct.
1850.
Correct. 1715. Correct. Tilka was days. Option A. Bow and uncontest. Hunter. Legionman. Both A and C. Tilka was days. I mean to say both. Correct. Yes. Thank you. Well done. Next question. Santal was days. Fighters, patriots, freedom loving people, peace loving people. Freedom loving people. Yes. Thank you. Next question. To bring option now. To bring control over Santal, the government appointed days in Bhagalpur. Some outer side, a new collector, B policeman, D bowman.
Senior collector.
Which is correct? Yes.
Senior collector.
Correct. Thank you. Next question. Elect killed the new 1780 1784. Elect killed a new collector in 1784.
84.
Yes, many thanks. All now is homework. Write down is your homework. Now write the second form of the following words in the space. Provide you can refer to the text if necessary. Now come, write, shoot, kill. Homework. Buy, arrest, drag, hang, go, pay. Come, came. Ride, rode. Shoot, shoot. Kill, killed. Buy, bought. Arrest, arrest. Drag, dragged. Hang, hanged. Go, went. Pay, paid. Thank you.